Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is the speed test between Huawei Nova 3i and the Vivo V9. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Huawei Nova 3i sports a Kirin 710 processor with Mali G51 MP4 GPU, while the Vivo V9 sports a Snapdragon 626 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on benchmark scores, Huawei is definitely better. So let's see how they actually perform. So guys, for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but for most of the applications, Nova 3i was faster. So for the speed test, Nova 3i is the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see which phone performs better. Memory management is good on both phones and both were equally responsive while retrieving apps from memory. So for this round, I'll call it as a tie. Now for the last test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. While opening games, there wasn't a huge difference between both phones, but Nova 3i was slightly faster. So guys, overall, Huawei Nova 3i is definitely better in terms of performance when compared to the Vivo V9. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.